We all get ill sometimes. But what if we told you staying healthy and getting better all begins in the natural world? No, not quite like that. Nature is responsible for the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. But the natural world is also integral to our physical and mental health. Even though we depend on this crucial relationship, we're seeing the devastating consequences when these ties are broken. What exactly does nature do for our health? And how can we make sure we build, not break this relationship? Our health is connected to nature in ways we might not even imagine. Take rainforests for example. They're truly amazing. 70% of the plants with proven anti-cancer properties are only found in tropical rainforests. Thriving forests around the world also act as natural air filters. Without forests filtering our air, we would literally suffocate. There are planet's real superheroes using their supernatural power to remove carbon dioxide from our atmosphere, preventing water and air pollution, and making life possible. This is incredibly important when you consider that around 9 million premature deaths are linked to pollution each year. Not only are forests important to our physical health, they also provide benefits to our mental health. Researchers in Japan found that forest bathing lowers blood pressure and stress levels and strengthens the immune system. And people who spend at least 2 hours a week in nature reported feeling a great sense of well-being than those who didn't. In fact, both the Japanese and South Korean health services prescribe forest bathing sessions. And in Japan alone, there are now over 70 designated healing forests. In short, forests provide, prevent, and heal. And forests aren't alone in the benefits they bring to our overall well-being. Oceans, rivers, lakes, and grasslands are all vital to our health. By putting measures in place to make sure that these natural spaces flourish, we're safeguarding our own health. And we've seen what happens when we don't. Our health suffers. Deforestation, for example, increases the risk of emergence and spread of infectious diseases. This is why it's more important than ever to keep our forests standing. Overexploiting our ocean can stress the fragile ecosystem, leading to waterborne infectious diseases and contaminated food sources which 800 million people globally rely on. And it goes without saying, we all need water to survive. But polluting and contaminating our rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams puts one of our key resources at extreme risk. The link between the health of nature and human health is clear, and we simply can't afford to overlook it. It's critical that governments, businesses, and individuals come together to protect nature. Because protecting nature protects each and every one of us.